When people think about cancer research, they're probably thinking about people looking through the microscope at a petri dish. But my lab and I, we take a different approach. My name is Shen. I'm an associate professor at Vandal Institute. I work on women's cancer, particularly ovarian cancer. So one of the biggest challenges for ovarian cancer management is how to catch it early. And that's not an easy task. 80% of the cases are diagnosed at late stage. Probably 2 decades ago, people were still thinking that ovarian cancer comes from the ovaries. But it has become more and more clear that ovarian cancer actually comes from the fallopian tube. And my team and I are looking into the molecular makeup, or called genomics, of fallopian tube and early lesions to see where the ovarian cancer comes from, what cell types, and then what kind of alterations make them ovarian cancer, and what are some of the earlier changes during this process that can be used to detect ovarian cancer, and what targets can we use for early intervention and prevention. My lab and I, we study DNA. So each of us has 40 trillion cells in our bodies, and each cell has 23 pairs of chromosomes, and each set of that contains 3.2 billions of what we call base pairs that encodes who we are. These codes are like letters that make words in a book, and we're the book that these letters make. Changes in these letters or these words would alter some behaviors of our normal cells and make them cancerous. My lab uses sequencing technologies, and then we can use that information to better detect cancer cells and devise new therapeutics for these cancer cells, and we use computers to analyze all those information. Vandal Institute is definitely playing a big role in cancer research. We are a world leader for cancer epigenetics, and we're definitely on the map in many ways for cancer research in the nation. I'm very hopeful for the future. In the past, we were looking at a single gene at a time, and now we can look at all 30,000 genes in the genome at the same time. And what we can do nowadays in a few hours, in the past takes probably a month or even years to do. And that's why I'm very hopeful about the future of cancer research.